Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to our official YouTube channel that is named as Learning of English Language. First of all, I'd like to request all of you guys to like, subscribe and share our official YouTube channel with your dear and near ones. Today it's fifth lecture of our official YouTube channel and today's our topic is present perfect continuous tense. In this lecture we will discuss about sentence structure, example stances, and then at the end I'll give you a practice exercises as well. लेट्स सी आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ टुडे सेंटेंसेस एंड दैट इज वो तमाम सेंटेंसेस जिनकी एंडिंग रहा है, रही है या रहा हूँ वगैरह पे होती है बट विद इट्स स्पेसिफिक टाइम, वो तमाम सेंटेंसेस होते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. If it talks about the usage of the present perfect continuous tense, so it basically describes an action which started in the past and continuing at the present time. It is also known as the present perfect progressive tense. This tense is similar to present continuous tense, just addition of time. In continuous tense, it becomes present perfect continuous tense. Let's see some of its examples, and that is, he is living here. Like there is no usage of time in this sentence, so it's a present continuous tense. But in the next sentence, he has been living here for 10 months. In this sentence, we used a time, so it's a present perfect continuous tense. Let's see its auxiliary verb, and that is has been and have been. If we talks about has been, so has been is used with a single subject, that is he, she, it. And then very next is have been. Have been is used with plural subject, and that is we, you or they. If we talks about the form of the verb, so always in the sentences we use first form of verb with ing. Let's see formula for the simple sentences, and that is subject plus has been or have been according to the usage of subject plus first form of verb with ing plus object. Let's see some of its examples, and that is हम 2 दिन से खेल रहे हैं. We have been playing for 2 days. मैं 2012 से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying since 2012. वो 5 साल से चावल खा रही है. She has been eating rice for 5 years. फ़हीम सुबह से पढ़ रहा है. फ़हीम has been reading since morning. डॉक्टर एक हफ्ते से मरीज का इलाज कर रहा है. The doctor has been treating the patient for a week. Next comes negative sentences, just addition of the note in a simple sentences. So it becomes the formula of the negative sentences. Subject plus has been or have been plus not plus verb first form ing plus object. Let's see its examples, and that is हम 2 दिन से खेल नहीं रहे हैं. We have not been playing for 2 days. मैं 2012 से पढ़ नहीं रहा हूँ. I have not been reading since 2012. वो 5 साल से चावल नहीं खा रही है. She has not been eating rice for 5 years. फ़हीम सुबह से पढ़ नहीं रहा है. फ़हीम has not been reading since morning. डॉक्टर एक हफ्ते से मरीज का इलाज नहीं कर रहा है. The doctor has not been treating the patient for a week. Then comes interrogative sentences. The formula for it interrogative sentences is this: has or have plus subject plus been plus verb first form with ing plus object. Let's see its some of the examples, and that is क्या हम 2 दिन से खेल रहे हैं. Have we been playing for 2 days? क्या मैं 2012 से पढ़ रहा हूँ. Have I been reading since 2012? क्या वो 5 साल से चावल खा रही है. Has she been eating rice for 5 years? क्या फ़हीम सुबह से पढ़ रहा है. Has फ़हीम been reading since morning? क्या डॉक्टर एक हफ्ते से मरीज का इलाज कर रहा है. Has the doctor been treating the patient for a week? If you liked our video, then kindly show your feelings in our comment section. I'll really appreciate your feelings, your thoughts. One more thing that I'd like to request all of you guys that kindly share our official YouTube channel that is named as Learning of English Language with your dear and near ones. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.